Look at how big that motherfucker is compared to my foot.
God damn. Well, I got a fucking ruler right here, brother.
That's what happens when you catch the big guy.
Watch those spikes.
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Them spikes will get you.
I'm flopping fucking around, man.
Yeah, we're going to have to make up a... That's not a game warden there, is it? Is that a Boston Whaler?
I don't know what the fuck he is. Huh.
The big motherfucking bitch. About 28-inch catfish, give or take a little bit.
Yeah, we'll have to make a stringer up that one.
I don't know what the fuck is going to put in.
I didn't expect that big boy, did we?
No.
That's huge. That makes some nice fillets.
Dude, you lay him down like you just did and then crack him with a hammer on the top of the head.
But I ain't got a hammer.
Ah, shoot.